today I went to Morrisons and picked up 2 Too Good To Go bags. I was quite excited to find them on the Too Good To Go app, which is where supermarkets, cafes, restaurants list food that is kind of used by, and instead of it going into the bin, it ends up in the Too Good To Go app. So we kind of rescue a bit of food and save a bit of food waste, reduce a bit of food waste. So I picked up my 2 bags, and despite it saying online order there, they're both Too Good To Go bags. There were two orders that I made. One was a grocery bag, which was £4.99, and the other was a bakery bag, which was £2.99. They're both pretty hefty, full bags, completely full. I can't even lift that one properly. I had to get my husband to help me bring them home. So I'm going to go through them and we will see what we got. We'll start with the bakery bag. So this one was £2.99. Let's have a look. It is completely stuffed full. Let's see what we got. First item over here. Let's see. It is some sort of buns. Mixed buns. Oh, they're nice. Some rolls. So we got that as our first option. We got a loaf of bread. White split tin bread. I think there is quite a bit of bread in here. A pack of rolls. So 6 soft rolls. I've got 2 teenage sons, so they will quite enjoy all this. Oh, and a tart. What is it? It's a rhubarb tart. Rhubarb pie. You can see these were all yellow sticker bargains that they ended up putting in Too Good To Go because they didn't sell. But that's not too bad. Let's see what else we got in here. It's like opening a gift. There's 6 pitters over here, and a lot of this can just go straight in the freezer as well. 6 pitters. Let's see. 2 more loaves of bread. I think that's this order. Another white split tin, and another one. So all of this was £2.99. So I'm sure you're curious, and I was too, how much this all adds up to. So all the items aside from the pitters have a price on it, and it added up to £2.82. So the pitters, I'm not sure how much they were, but £2.82, I paid £2.99. The pitters 50p to a pound, so it maybe is about worth what it was. So you be the judge. Would you pay £2.99? It is a lot of food, and if you go by the full price, it's definitely savings. But I could have just bought these as yellow sticker items, I suppose. But it was still, I suppose, good value when you include the pitters. I'm not sure. It was a bit of fun anyhow. So curiosity got the better of me. I wanted to see how much these pitters were full price, and they are 50p, and they're actually used by yesterday. Today's the 13th of December, and they're not yellow sticker bargains, but they're 50p, maybe a little bit less. So really, £3 value. I paid £3. There's quite a lot of food here. It won't go to waste, but I'm not quite sure if I would do this bakery bag again. But let's see what we got in the grocery bag now. So onto the second bag. The grocery bag. Let's see what we got. Starting another pack of these wholemeal pitters. So you know those are 50p. We got a loaf of white bread reduced to 21p. This is supposed to be a grocery one. Oh, some Brussels sprouts. A bag of Brussels sprouts. Does it have the price? Nope. Some Brussels sprouts. And lots of interesting herbs. Tarragon. Tarragon? Not sure what to do with tarragon. We'll have to look it up. A whole lot of carrots. Right, you have a look in. Let's see what we can find. A bag of potatoes. Baby potatoes. That's useful. Some baby potatoes there. Oh, some satsumas. Bag of satsumas. Hopefully they're nice. Oh, it's interesting to see. Another herb or some fresh oregano. There's still some more goodies left in there. We've got some little gem lettuce. Oh, that's some nice veggies. And more of these rolls. Another pack of soft rolls. We're gonna have lots of rolls. I was at Morrisons. I got some milk and peanut butter, so that still needs to get put away. That's what they do. You go in there for all of this, and then you end up coming out with other groceries. Oh, some sweets. My kids are like these. What are these? Chocolate brioche. 47p. And the final, what is this? Chicory. Well, it feels it's definitely past its best, this one. 60p for that. So this was all, that bag is empty now. This was all £4.99. Probably also adds up to probably thereabouts with all these yellow stickers and bargains. Maybe a little bit more. I'm not sure if I would do either of these again. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments down below. It's a bit of fun to unpack and see what you got. It is a bit of a mystery. I'm not sure if I haven't actually seen it on the app before, my local Morrisons, so I saw it, I grabbed it. If I see it again, I'll just, I suppose, depend on my mood. You forget what's in all of them, and maybe next time I'll be luckier and get a higher value items, but that's with Too Good To Go. You don't know what you're going to get. And it was definitely a bit of fun, and I hope you enjoyed watching, and maybe you'll get a Too Good To Go, and let me know what you get in the comments below. If you use Too Good To Go, what you found. I've had some really good ones and some that, yeah, not the greatest. This was a bit of a mixed bag, pardon the pun. And yeah, we've got plenty of bread now, some fruit, some veggies for the kids, and it was just a bit of fun. So that is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.